An academic argument is your stance or claim on a topic, contributing to the current conversation with a clear position. Inductive reasoning derives general principles from observations, while deductive reasoning moves from general ideas to specific conclusions. Understanding these terms is crucial for constructing a solid argument. Logical arguments consist of propositions supporting a conclusion. Evaluating an argument involves checking the truth of premises and the logic structure. Logic studies relationships among claims, identifying both good and bad argument patterns. A logical argument strongly implies the truth of its conclusion, avoiding fallacies. Aristotle systematically studied logical relationships, developing laws for argument patterns. He viewed logical arguments as reasoned discourse subject to rules. Understanding these rules helps in rhetoric and persuasion. Today, logic enhances argument presentation in debates and writing, continuing Aristotle's legacy. 3 types of logic evaluate arguments: deductive, inductive, and abductive. Deductive logic proves conclusions with certainty, inductive logic offers probable conclusions, and abductive logic finds the best fit with known information. Each type shares components, premises, and a conclusion. Inductive reasoning moves from specific observations to general conclusions, useful for generating hypotheses. Deductive reasoning starts with general premises leading to specific conclusions, offering certainty. Both have strengths and weaknesses, influencing their application in various fields. Deductive reasoning examples include invalid arguments where true premises don't lead to true conclusions. For instance, not all spotted animals are leopards. Similarly, living in the White House doesn't confirm presidency. Such examples highlight the need for valid logical structures. Abductive reasoning aims for conclusions that best fit available information, without certainty. It's used by detectives like Sherlock Holmes to infer scenarios. Unlike deductive reasoning, its conclusions aren't guaranteed. Nor are they quantitatively probable like inductive reasoning. Examples of logical arguments show reasoning differences. Deductive logic confirms David's bachelor status leads to being unmarried. Inductive logic suggests frequent marriages imply future marriage. Abductive logic infers marriage from attire and happiness. Each type serves distinct purposes. A reliable academic argument starts with a clear thesis, supported by credible evidence. It addresses counter-arguments, using logic and reasoning. Clarity and cohesion are essential, with a strong conclusion summarizing the main points. These elements form the backbone of a valid argument. A clear thesis statement outlines the main argument, providing a roadmap for readers. It should be specific, debatable, and guide the paper's direction. A strong thesis is crucial for a reliable academic argument, setting the foundation for evidence and reasoning. Evidence in academic arguments must be relevant, reliable, and sufficient. It should come from credible sources like peer-reviewed articles and books. Supporting evidence strengthens the thesis, making the argument more persuasive and valid. It's a critical component of academic writing. Addressing counter-arguments strengthens your argument by showing consideration of opposing views. It demonstrates thorough research and critical thinking. Responding thoughtfully to counter-arguments enhances the argument's credibility. This process is vital in constructing a reliable academic argument. Logic and reasoning support the thesis statement, avoiding fallacies and unsupported assumptions. Logical arguments should be sound and persuasive. Using logic ensures the argument is coherent and convincing. It's essential for maintaining the argument's validity and reliability. An academic argument should be clear and cohesive, with each section building on the previous one. Clarity ensures the argument is easy to understand, while cohesion maintains its flow. These elements are crucial for a strong, persuasive argument. They help convey the message effectively. A strong conclusion summarizes the main points, reinforcing the thesis statement. It should offer insights into the argument's implications. A well-crafted conclusion leaves a lasting impression on readers. It's the final step in constructing a reliable academic argument. Inductive reasoning starts with specific observations, leading to general conclusions. It's useful for generating hypotheses in sciences. However, it can be biased and limited by observations. Understanding its strengths and weaknesses is crucial for its application in research. Deductive reasoning begins with general principles, leading to specific conclusions. It provides certainty and tests principle validity. However, its accuracy depends on premise validity. Understanding its application is essential for logical reasoning in various fields. Abductive reasoning seeks the best conclusion fitting known information. It's common in detective work and scenarios requiring inference. While not certain, it offers practical solutions. Understanding its use enhances problem-solving skills. An example of argument structure involves premium pricing of iPhone 14 Pro. It includes introduction, material quality, technology, design, brand reputation, and conclusion. Each section builds a case for pricing justification. This structure enhances argument clarity and persuasion. Explore further reading and resources for deeper understanding of academic arguments. Utilize ebooks, journals, and online courses. Continuous learning enhances argument skills. Seek credible sources for comprehensive knowledge. This enriches your academic writing capabilities. Thank you. Through understanding key components, reasoning types, and argument structures, you've gained insights into constructing reliable academic arguments. This knowledge enhances your writing and critical thinking skills. Embrace these principles to excel in academic discourse.